is that those gossip mongers in parliament sat there. None of them say to Mchunu, did you attain permission and consent from Mkhwanazi to record a private telephone conversation between him and the chief of your office? Did Mkhwanazi get to say, yes, you can record me in a private WhatsApp conversation phone call? What do our laws say about interception? Can you record me and then go, not only without my consent, you are recording me, you go and play it in full view of a private conversation that was recorded without the consent? Even its publication needs consent. That's why journalists have to say, I'm about to record you. They can't just intercept you. Even a bank, insurance companies, they warn you, be warned, this call is for quality purposes, it's going to be recorded for quality purposes, because they will still have to comply with the law, whether to publish it or not. Those gossip mongers, because they like gossip, they were sitting there listening to an interception of a phone call by the minister to a provincial commissioner without asking, is this lawful?